So we're just trying to decide what we're gonna have for lunch, and we came to the realization that we have a very unique opportunity, and that comes in the form of a beautiful fig tree that is growing in our front yard. And this tree we've been fascinated by since we moved into this apartment, and we've been waiting and waiting very patiently for the fruit become ripe. We tried them, and I'm telling you guys, this is one of the best fruits I've ever had. I don't think I've had a fig before other than a fig Newton as a kid, which doesn't really count. You can see the fig tree growing behind me. And we're gonna pick some figs for our grilled cheese.
So we're looking for some ripe figs, so some are overripe and the juices are actually leaking out.
So you can kind of get an idea of just how big this tree is and grows like crazy, like a bad weed, except it's a good weed. And not a weed, it's a tree, it's a good tree. According to our landlord, he picks between 100 and 200 figs for 4 or 5 days in a row in order to fully harvest the tree. And there's actually 2 trees. Here we have the other fig tree, the sister tree to the one we were just in. The maintenance on one of these trees is not that high. They require not that much water actually. They grow in hot, dry climates. Fun fig facts. Fun fig facts, fun fig facts, fun fig facts. Say that 10 times fast.
Like see all the honey in it.
So we've just discovered the elusive ripe fig growing in its wild habitat. Here you can see they are nice and plump. I think I just changed from an Australian accent to a Scottish accent. I had a smoothie this morning, more of a milkshake with figs, and healthy, good for you. So we're gonna have 2 meals of figs today, and as they continue to ripen, we'll probably have 3 or 4 meals a day with figs. So it's a good thing to do because it's free, and figs are actually really expensive. I don't know if you've ever been to a market and seen the price on figs, and they actually have to branch ripen. So if they're taken off too soon, they will not ripen, and if you take them off when you're supposed to, they will only last a few days before they go bad. How many figs do we need for our grilled cheese?
More than that. A couple more? Because I'll probably eat another 2 on the way.
Hi-ho, hi-ho, back to the kitchen we go. I need to not try and be funny. It's gonna ruin the quality of this vlog. You think I'm funny, right?
Of course. Huh.
Why are you putting that side?
I know, I realized I did it now.
So the sandwiches have been breed up, if that can be used as a verb. Now we're going to fig them up. Now we're gonna add the figs. Hello, I'm Aaron, the talking fig.
I don't sound like that.
I don't know, it's like a flesh-eating monster of some sort. Or like ground beef.
Ew, don't say that.
So it may not look completely appealing, but trust me, it's really, really good. It looks like a zucchini that has internal bleeding.
Autocorrect, fail.
Looks delicious. We're about to find out whether that is in fact the case or not. That is really good.
Tea, sweet tea,
sweet
tea, sweet
tea, sweet.
7:30.